Hi friends, today we are talking about 7QC tool. One of the best tool is Pareto principle, or it is also known as 80-20 rule, or another name is law of vital few. So what is the meaning of Pareto principle or 80-20 rule? The first definition is 80% of the problems are caused by 20% of the issues, or another meaning is 80% outcomes comes from only 20% of the inputs. Friends, Pareto principle was developed by an Italian sociologist and economist, Vilfredo Pareto. Friends, Pareto observed that 80% of the land in Italy was owned by only 20% of the population. So, after some times, Joseph and Juron redefined Pareto principle in the context of quality control and improvement. So friends, it is also known as vital few or trivial many. So what is the meaning of vital few and trivial many? Anything few are vital. Anything 20% is very important, and trivial many means many, it means 80% are trivial, less important in this context. Friends, Pareto chart analyze the frequency of problems or causes in a process. Pareto chart used to analyze the frequency of problems or causes which is produced in a process. Now you saw this Pareto chart. This is a cumulative frequency. This is a cumulative frequency, and this is the frequency of the problem's name in horizontal axis and rejection quantity in vertical axis. So this is a Pareto chart. Now we represent 80-20 rule in mathematical form. Gini coefficient denoted as G and Hoover index is denoted as H. So let's say example A is to B equals to 0.8 is to 0.2, and if you add 0.8 and 0.2 then it will comes 0.1. So A plus B equals to 1. Now Gini index G equals to Hoover index H is defined as modulus of 2a minus 1 equals to modulus of in modulus 1 minus 2b. So if you put here value of a 0.8 and value of b 0.2, then you got 0.6. It means h equals to g equals to 0.6. Now a is to b equals to 1 plus h divided by 2 and 1 minus h divided by 2. After putting these values here, you got a is to b equals to 0.8 is to 0.8. It means 80% and 20%. So this is a mathematical representation of Pareto chart. Thank you.